Alright guys, so here we are. To access this part, we're going to go to Oceans and Atmosphere Chapter 2, scroll down to 2.4, and go to Activity 3. Okay, this is how we're going to do a modeling. We're going to model our current. If you look down here, we're going to take the first current, the one that starts at the equator and it comes down past Christchurch, New Zealand. Now if we think about that, it starts near the equator. What kind of energy is that going to be carrying? Well, we're going to show that in our own model. Click on the small 2 and then go to the 2.4 that's underlined in blue. So we need to remember that the energy doesn't directly heat the atmosphere, it heats up the surface. So we're going to start by dragging our star to the beginning of the current and bring the other end down, and then you can click on the center circles to modify the shape of the current. So if we're going to show this passing by Christchurch, and it's going to be bringing the energy from the equator. Is it going to be a warm current or a cool current? So you click the little blue pencil, and then you need to add energy transfer arrows, transferring energy from the sun to the surface, and then from the surface up to the air. And once you place your arrows, you're going to pick on the small little circle and drop them to connect the endpoints together, both on the land and in the water. Now remember that this current is coming from the equator. So because of the location of Christchurch, New Zealand, the energy transfer from the sun and from the land are both going to be medium because it's got sort of a medium latitude. But the energy from the water, recall this is coming from the equator, so this is going to have a lot more energy than normal because it's coming from a place that gets a lot of sunlight. Accordingly, the temperature of the current, should the temperature of the current be low, medium, high, very high, choose whichever one you think is appropriate for your model. Because the medium sunlight on the land and air, you should probably choose a medium temperature for that. So go ahead and complete your model on Amplify. If you have any questions, make sure you ask them on your Google document and go ahead and submit that. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.